Our people love to train. We could be pumping anywhere up to 1,500 gallons per minute out of one fire engine alone.
Part of the Torrance Fire Department's biggest responsibility is training to stay ready for emergencies. Now, this invention could change the environmental impact of that training.
The PumpPod has a 2,000-gallon tank built into it at the base here. When we fill that up, the water stays in there and it's recirculated through one of our engines.
This is a drafts unit. It's primarily a training device for fire apparatus engineers, and the big benefit of it is it allows hours and hours of pump time with very, very little water loss.
The first prototype of the PumpPod came out in 2018. Currently, there are only 37 of these across the nation, the majority of them in California, and one right here in Torrance.
In about an hour, we float about 23,000 gallons of water.
Now, for the first time, we're able to recycle that water rather than have it flow down the drain. The safety of our citizens and our mission is paramount, but we also care very much about natural resources for the city.
In the past, departments have had to train less during droughts to conserve resources. Now, thanks to support from state agencies, they can train anytime.
Funding was a partnership through Department of Water Resources. It's a $3 million grant in partnership with the Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, and each city can apply and they get a certain percentage of it paid for by the water department.
PumpPod has saved an estimated 380 million gallons of water, and our city can expect to save hundreds of thousands of dollars by using this device. But that's not the only thing it's good for.
The PumpPod does have a lot of good options for us to train our guys to both draft as well as utilize a water source from a pressurized hydrant. So we did both of those, as well as put our aerial ladder up and float our master stream from our aerial ladder.
With this portable hydrant here, we can set it on the ground and essentially build a little miniature municipal system utilizing 1 to 2 fire engines. And the operators can do all kinds of calculations, flows, with very little risk of water loss or damage to the equipment.
The PumpPod will be heavily used in TFD's Fire Apparatus Driver Operator program, a new initiative spearheaded by the same engineer that sought out the device. I'm Nicole Nash with the City of Torrance.